Okay, let's look at this question. I can say there is a line, as you can see it's drawn, and we want me to find the equation of this straight line. Okay, so to find the equation of this line drawn, get any 2 points from the line. I can say that the line cuts the y-axis at 3, so I have a 0 and 3, and I can see that the line is cutting the x-axis at 6 and 0. Okay, after getting the 2 points, I can get my line. How? The rule is that y equal mx plus b. M is the gradient. How can I get the gradient when I have 2 points? By the rule, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so I will label any of the points by 1, and the other will be 2. The one which is 1 has x1 and y1. The one which is 2 has x2 and y2. So the rule is y2, which is 0, minus y1, which is 3, over x2, which is 6, minus x1, which is 0. So negative 3 over 6, it will give you a negative half. So the equation of the straight line is that y equal negative half x plus b. To get b, I know that b is the y-interception, and we discussed that this is my y-interception, so I remove b and put instead of it's 3, so it's negative half x plus 3, and this is the equation of straight line. Then in b, this is a very, very important one. He's saying that the point 9 and a, very, 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 very important. He's saying that 9 and a and b and 3 are lying on the line which is y equals 2 over 3 x minus 7, and we want me to find a and b. This is very, 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 very important. Okay, how can I solve something like this? If you look at this point, I can see that this is x and this is my y. So I will go in this relation, remove everything and put the one which is putting inside. So x is 9, I remove this x and put 9. Y is a, I remove this y and put a. So 2 over 3 times 9 minus 7 equals what? A. 2 over 3 times 9 gives 6 minus 7 equals a. So a equals negative 1. How to get b? The same method. If you look here, I can see that this is x and this is y. I will go to my function and start dealing with it, and remove this y and put 3, and remove this x and put b. This negative 7 will go to the other side by addition, so 2 over 3b is equal to 10. 2 over 3 will go to the other side by divide, so it's 10 divided by 2 over 3. Let's complete this part. So it's 10 times 3 over 2. So b, it's equal to 10 times 3, 1 times 2. It's 30 over 2, which is 50. Okay? It's very, 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 very important to know this type of questions because we like it a lot, and it's liked also in the checkpoint exams. Let's complete solving about the straight line. If I have the question like this, he's saying that the graph y equal 3x minus 2 passes through negative 1 and a. Work out the value of a. So, to solve number a, I can see that I'm having the relation that y equals 3x minus 2. Okay? And I have the point given, which is negative 1 and a. This is x and this is y. So I remove x and put negative 1, and remove y and put a. So it's 3. Negative 1 will replace instead of x, minus 2. equals a, which is my y, which I need to know. 3 times negative 1, it will be negative 3 minus 2 equals a, so a equals negative 5. If we look at b, he's saying the same graph, and the point given is b and b. As you can see it here, the point is b and b. I know that this is x and this is y. I remove x and put b, and remove y and put b. So b equals 3b minus 2. b will go to the b, so b minus 3b equals negative 2. b minus 3b, we know that here is a 1. 1 minus 3, it's negative 2b equals negative 2. Negative 2 will go to the other side by division, so that means that b equals 1. Okay, let's look at the last questions about line. When he give you a graph and he will ask you to find the equation of straight line. Okay, let's get the equation of straight line C with each other. I can see that line C is passing through in the y-axis on negative 2, so it's 0 and negative 2. Any point passing on the y-axis, the x is equal to 0. And I can see on the x-axis it's cutting 3, so it's 3 and 0. Okay, let's memorize how to get the equation of straight line. I know that equation of straight line has a rule, which is that y equals mx plus b. b is my y-interception, and m is my slope or gradient or anything. How can I get the gradient when I have 2 points? I have a rule that m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I will label this point 1 and this point 2. 1 contains x1 and y1, 2 contains x2 and y2, and I will start substituting in the rule. So y2, which is 0, minus y1, which is negative 2, over x2, which is 3, minus 0. So it's going to be negative with negative, it's a positive. 0 plus 2, it's 2, over 3 minus 0, which is 3. So the equation is that y equals 2 over 3 x plus b. I know that b is the y-interception, and I know that this point is my y-interception, so I remove b and put a negative 2, so y equals 2 over 3x minus